Hello students, welcome to Fluid Mechanics class. I am Professor Manjunatha, Civil Engineering Department, GSIT College, Karwar. The topic is properties of fluids. Introduction. What is fluid mechanics? Fluid mechanics is the branch of science which deals with the behavior of the fluids. Fluids means liquids or gases at rest as well as in motion. Thus, this branch of science deals with the static, dynamics and kinematics aspects of fluids. The study of fluids at rest is called fluid statics. The study of fluids in motion where pressure forces are not considered is called fluid kinematics. And if the pressure forces are also considered for the fluids in motion, that branch of science is called fluid dynamics. Properties of fluids. Before going to study about the fluids, that means fluid problems and in our daily life challenges using fluids, that means whatever research and all going on the fluid, the main very basic requirement is we are going to learn about the properties before going to analyze the fluids. Okay, that means the properties of fluids are there. Those are density or mass density and specific weight or weight density, specific volume, specific gravity. These are the very important properties of fluids. Okay, let us take one by one. The first one is density or mass density. What is density or mass density? Density or mass density of a fluid is defined as the ratio of the mass of a fluid to its volume. Thus, mass per unit volume of a fluid is called density. It is denoted by the symbol rho. The unit of mass density in SI unit is kg per cubic meter. It is kg per meter cube. The density of liquid may be considered as constant while that of gases changes with the variation of pressure and temperature. Mathematically, mass density is written as rho. Rho is the symbol of density or mass density. Rho is equal to mass of fluid by volume of fluid. Mass of fluid by volume of fluid. Okay. The value of density of water is 1 gram per centimeter cube or 1000 kg per meter cube. This value is standard. That means how we got this answer? By experiment and research work we got this value. It is universal constant. That means in India also the density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube, and if you are going to USA also you are getting the same answer, 1000 kg per meter cube. That is the standard value. Next property is specific weight or weight density. What is specific weight or weight density? Specific weight or weight density means specific weight or weight density of a fluid is the ratio between the weight of a fluid to its volume. Thus, weight per unit volume of a fluid is called weight density, and it is denoted by the symbol small letter w. It is denoted by the symbol small letter w. Why mathematically we write like this: weight of fluid by volume of fluid. Weight of fluid means mass of fluid into acceleration due to gravity. Mass of fluid into acceleration due to gravity. I hope you know this basic already. That means what is the difference between weight and mass? If we want to get weight, then they are multiplying by gravitational force, but we are not multiplying the gravitational force to mass. When we are going to add or multiply gravitational force with mass, then you are getting weight. That is the difference between weight and mass. So weight of fluid means mass of fluid into acceleration due to gravity, and by volume of fluid. Therefore mass of fluid by volume of fluid. Here acceleration due to gravity, the symbol we write small letter g, and we already know the mass of fluid by volume of fluid is rho, that means density. So here write like this: small letter w, that means specific weight or weight density is equal to rho into g, that means mass density into acceleration due to gravity. Okay. Next property. Before that, the value of specific weight or weight density, small letter w, for water is 9.81 into 1000 Newton per meter cube in SI units. Is it that? Here the difference is 9.81 means why we are multiplied by 9.81. The reason is acceleration due to gravity. Okay. Next property is specific volume. Specific volume of a fluid is defined as the volume of a fluid occupied by a unit mass, or volume per unit mass of a fluid is called specific volume. Mathematically it is expressed as specific volume is equal to volume of fluid by mass of fluid. Okay, these all the relations are very important in when we are going to solve some problems. These relations are required, so you should write down the notes. Okay, write down these notes, and write down these mathematical relations also, and you should remember, and if possible you can mug up and remember the relations. It will definitely helpful in when we are going to solve some problem. Okay. Specific volume is equal to volume of fluid by mass of fluid. Here specific volume is reciprocal of mass density. That means if we want to connect to mass density this relation, then it will you can observe, by observing only we are getting it is the reciprocal of mass density. We already know the rho, that means density is equal to mass of fluid by volume of fluid. So here by reciprocating this equation we are getting that 1 by rho. Okay. The specific volume is the reciprocal of mass density. It is expressed as meter cube per kg. It is commonly applied to gases. Next property is specific gravity. Specific gravity is defined as the ratio of the weight density or density of a fluid to the weight density of a standard fluid. Standard fluid means what? You know any idea about this? Standard fluid means, for liquids the standard fluid is taken water, and for gases the standard fluid is taken air. You should remember this. Specific gravity is also called relative density. See, in other words, specific gravity is also called relative density. You should remember these sentence also, that means these name also. Relative density is or specific gravity, both are same. It is dimensionless quantity and is denoted by the symbol S. Mathematically S, that means specific gravity is equal to weight density of liquid divided by weight density of water. Weight density, or commonly we call density, okay? Weight density of liquid by weight density of water. For gas, weight density of gas divided by weight density of air. Thus, weight density of a liquid is equal to S into weight density of water. Here just modified, here this relation we just modified this first one equation, okay? You can just observe here the weight density of liquid. I want weight density of a liquid, then if you are going to modify this equation, S into weight density of water, okay? So weight density of water we already know, 1000 into 9.81 Newton per meter cube. So just multiplying this with specific gravity, then we are getting weight density of a liquid, okay? The density of a liquid is equal to specific gravity into density of water. Density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube. If the specific gravity of a fluid is known, then the density of the fluid will be equal to specific gravity of fluid multiplied by the density of water. For example, the specific gravity of mercury is 13.6, hence density of mercury is 13.6 into 1000, that means 13,600 kg per meter cube. Okay, these are the 4 important properties of fluids. You should remember, you should write down in your notebook, and daily you should update your notes, okay? The first one property is density or mass density, second one specific weight or weight density, and third one specific volume, and fourth one specific gravity, okay? These are the 4 important properties of fluids. Okay, let us stop this class, and I will continue in the next class some problem. I will start some problem in the next class, okay? Okay, happy learning. Okay, thank you.